Alright guys, so today I'm going to tell you how you can play Hollow Knight Silksong on your Android smartphone natively without using internet or anything. So as you can see, I am running the game on my phone right now, and you can see the frame rates are pretty good as well, about 60, and the gameplay is pretty smooth. As the game is not very graphically demanding, you can play it on your smartphone with really good frame rates. So let me tell you how you can do that. So the first thing that you have to do is download this app called GameHub. It's a free Windows emulator for Android that can run Windows games free on your Android smartphone. The APK file is available on the official website. You can download it from there. The link is in the description. Now, once you install this app on your smartphone, you will see this kind of UI. See? Now all you have to do is click on Steam and log in to your Steam account. Now once you log into your Steam account, you will be able to see your Steam library right here. And once you log into your Steam account, just go to Find Games, search for Silksong, and you can install and play it on your smartphone. So the best part about GameHub is that you don't have to worry about installing any third-party application or the game drivers or the graphic drivers of your phone. You just have to install this app and it will take care of all of that automatically. It also optimizes all the settings automatically according to the game that you're playing on your phone. Well, actually there is no minimum requirement to run this Windows emulator on your Android smartphone, but I recommend you that you have the flagship processor, the 800 series, or the similar one in the MediaTek series. And you have plenty of RAM, like 8 gigs or above, to play this game on your phone with good frame rates. Now, once you launch the game, it will check for the updates automatically like Steam does, and it will launch the game. Okay, now you have this UI with on-screen controls, and you have mouse control as well, so you can just use your mouse and just play the game. And if you have controllers, you can use your controller to play the game as well. There's no setup required, it just accepts the controller, or so whatever controller that you have, you can use them to play the game. And not just this, you can play any game on this Windows emulator. Make sure that you have purchased it on the Steam and just import it on your smartphone. Now, if you don't want to log into your Steam account on this app, you can just use their GameHub Manager app on Windows. What it does is it easily moves the games from your Steam folder on your PC to your Android smartphone, and you can play it from there. Now if you use the second method, you won't be able to migrate the save files from your PC to Android, so you have to start a new game in that situation. So that's it for today guys. Hope you liked the video. Hit the like button, get subscribed, and I'll see you in the next one.